Alright, so here's the new track thing where I'll put half of the tracks in. So that's that, and there's the the mood lights. You see, the mood lights, let me just do some real quick. So the mood lights here. I was testing them at the old house. So we have red for red flags, green for green flags, yellow for caution flags that don't even look like it, and then white for white flags, and then green for stage ones, blue because it just looks very very aesthetically pleasing from this view on the track. So yeah, all right, and then it's a very small album, very small tour. Go to right here is a racetrack. I think you remember this from the Hood's Milk series. What do you think you guys? So yeah, this is a new track that I'll sometimes film on. Yeah, I'm filming this on my tablet, so everything seems weird. So yeah. So here's that. And right, yeah. If I plug in this, we'd still do with lights. I should have done it before I filmed the race a while back, but yeah, whatever. And I'm back. Hi. Alright, so let me turn this off. Yeah, that's what's happening now, and that's how we're bit. Don't worry, there will still be Combustor Cup episodes here. And reviews there in the future, but I'm gonna make a second channel, in case anyone's mentioning about the Hood Milk Club series. We're changing that to the NASCAR Hood series, so that's my second channel. It was supposed to be Cambo Store, a gaming channel, then I just abandoned it. So yeah, now that will be for like NASCAR related stuff. So NASCAR related stuff will be on a separate channel, and then Disney Cars related stuff will be on this one. It's just a little big update. New room, house. George's friends. By the way, I do not own these characters. All characters, so it turns off. All rights reserved. So yeah. Oh yeah. By the way, I got a Switch. Oh, pretty cool. So yeah. Thank you guys for sticking by me. We're this close to 30 subscribers, so thank you guys for that. Yeah, this close to 30 subscribers, so thank you guys for being with me. Hopefully you'll expect more things in the future, and see you guys next time. Peace.